Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this helping hand LED magnifier from Parkside. Two adjustable clips to hold items, leaving your hands free to work. With LED light and dual magnification 2.5 times and 5 times. 360 degree swivel, non-slip base, 3 1.5 volt batteries LR1130 included, with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, the sturdy weighted base provides excellent stability, ensuring that the tool stays in place even when holding heavier components. This prevents tipping and allows for more secure handling during detailed work. Pull this plastic and enable the LED light. There it is. The adjustable soldering iron holder goes here with one screw. Now we have threads. I'm just saying that because in my last video the soldering iron holder for the other model didn't have threads. You can watch in this video right in the corner after the end of this video. And you can adjust it 360 degrees. The metal bracket goes here. And tight it with this knob. Adjustable knob in here, up and down, and here. The same in here. Let me remove that and show you. You can adjust further in, further out, find the right position and lock. I like it. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport, which is ideal for hobbyists and professionals who may need to use the tool in various locations. The tool is equipped with two adjustable alligator clips attached to flexible arms. This tool significantly improves your ability to handle small components and intricate work. Whether you are DIY enthusiast, hobbyist or professional, this tool provides the extra support you need to work efficiently and accurately. These clips can hold small items like circuit boards, wires or other components in place, allowing for hands-free operation and increased precision during tasks such as soldering or assembly. The arms are fully adjustable, making it easy to position and secure components at various angles for optimal working conditions. The central feature is a high-quality magnifying glass offering 2.5 and 5 times magnification, allowing for a closer and clearer view for small components and fine details. The magnifying glass is rotatable and adjustable, so you can position it at the perfect angle for your task. This feature is especially useful when working on multi-step projects where different angles of view are required. includes an integrated soldering iron stand, providing a safe place to rest your soldering iron between uses. This feature helps protect both the workspace and the user from accidents related to hot tools. The magnifier includes integrated LED lights to illuminate your work area, providing bright, even lighting to reduce shadows and improve visibility. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY project ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next video.